Hello everyone, this is Ron, and are you looking for a way to streamline your customer support process and provide exceptional service? What if I told you there's a tool that can help you manage ticket, automate workflow, and improve customer satisfaction, all from one platform? Welcome to step-by-step guide of Live Agent or Live Agent tutorial. I hope I'm pronouncing this properly. Now, first of all, just go to Google and search for the Live Agent here, and here you can just come to, and I will show you how you can create an account. But before that, let's go and explore the pricing here. So inside the pricing section, it will just give you two sections here. So let's go to the pricing here, and let's scroll to the bottom, and here you can see this is you can compare with the number of agents you want. So let's say I want around 10 agents or here, so you can see the exact cost here, and it is also comparing with the different platforms. For example, Freshdesk and the SolarWind and Helpdesk here, and it's showing how much Live Agent or Live Agent is cheap, right? Now here, let's go and click on start Live Agent trial for free, and here it will ask your name here. So let's enter our name and your email. Then I will just enter my company name here, that is filexexpress.ladesk.com. Now choose your region for your data center location. I'll choose here Asia and Pacific. You can choose here America or just Europe. Now let's go and click on create account for free. As I have already created, that's the reason it's getting failed, but in your case you will able to create it. Now, once the account is set up, this is, by the way, for those who don't know what is LiveAgent. So LiveAgent is an all-in-one customer support platform designed to streamline ticket management and automate workflow and empower your team with actionable insights. With its intuitive interface, customizable dashboard, and automated tool, LiveAgent make it easy to manage customers' inquiries from start to finish. Now let's get familiar with the interface here. On the left side, if I just go and click on here, this is basically a dashboard. So all the departments folders which I'm going to make will show up here, and my work report will be show up here. So what is I'm doing in a day, how much working hours and everything, right, will be added up here. This is an agent, so how many of your employees working right now will show up here, your freelancers, right? And you can just go and check out your specific things here. For example, what's your work time, how many answers you gave, what's the rating, what's the positive rating, and this is a leaderboard, right? Now if I just go to the second option, which is basically tickets option, now all the tickets options will be shown up here. So here you can just go and obviously you will see the tickets options here. So now here you will get this option new ticket and enter detail like subject, priority, and category. Assign tickets to a team member based on expertise and workload. Use tags and filters to organize tickets for beta tracking. So you can also use canned response to save time and maintain consistency in communication. Right now, there's a messages options here. So let's say there's some kind of messages you're getting will show up here, and it will show up from which country you're getting these messages, whichever your customers are online, right? And how many of them are chatting, is it in the call or is it in the queue, right? And how many agents are available, which is fulfilling the services, right? So here you can just go and check out the chat services, right? And here you can see the online visitors and everything, you will find it here, right? So it will give you complete information, right? And you can just, this is a call section, so you can just do a call, right? So for example, you can see here on the top right side corner, so this is voice status, by the way. Now all the running call, ringing calls, in queue calls will show up here. You can check the exact number from where it is coming and everything, right? And by the way, this is called basically reports. So generating reports help you track performance and identify growth opportunities. So here you can create custom reports. Let's say I want to check out of the last 7 days or last 30 days, right? And it will give me a complete information of incoming and outgoing calls, as well as messages and emails. I can navigate the report sections and choose a report type, example, agent performance, customer satisfaction, which will show up here, right? So this is a performance reports. I can check out for the last one. This is the agent report. I can customize filter, for example, data range, team member, to refine your data. I can even export this entire data reports as a PDF and CSV files for sharing with stakeholders. Regularly review reports to spot trends, address bottleneck, and optimize your supports process. right? And there's some more things here. For example, here these are the customers, so whichever customers I'm talking to, all the details, yeah, their customers details will show up here, and it will be saved, right? For example, their phone number, email, right, and on which date it was created. Same goes for the companies, will show up here. Now this is a customer portal, so you can just learn about this live agent tool here. This is a configuration. So here, for example, let's go to the email. So I just need to connect my email. So I will just go and click on personalize them, and I can, I can just I can just command, or I can just pre-save the answers, right? So you can call this as automated messages, right? And you will find it here. Same goes for chat form and chat and video calls. You can integrate all this stuff here, which is really useful. So, LiveAgent simplifies the customer support by helping your manage tickets, automate workflow, and track performance. With these steps, you will save time, reduce stress, and achieve better result. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more customer tips. Don't forget to leave a comment below. I would love to hear how you're using LiveAgent as a. If you have any questions or something, let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.